doing the Charlie challenge.
What
it's
is
basically calling a spirit and talking to the spirit.
that? I'm not doing that, please.
Oh भाई
Please,
साहब,
यार,
नहीं.
तो हम जाने वाले हैं एक हॉन्टेड एरिया में and then we're gonna shoot this. What? Let's go.
हाँ सही है ना?
Leopard.
हाँ सही है.
तेरे फेस पे शैडो आ रहा है इसका, थोड़ा इधर है, लेफ्ट में.
लेफ्ट में इस side.
नहीं, कम दिस साइड.
हाँ ये ठीक है,
हाँ.
आ रहा है, इतना ठीक है. Hi guys, it's Sakshi Shetty and welcome to my channel. So, on your request, I'm doing this challenge. By the way, this is Vivek and this is Lakshay. These are my best friends. You all might शक्ल दिखाओ अपनी. My mask is here. You all might know them from my previous video. Anyway, आज हम निकले हैं रात के 12 बजे. It's 12 o'clock right now. And these two guys have no idea what we're shooting. Guys, by the way, we're shooting a horror video.
What are you saying?
क्या बोल रही है?
What are we going to do? What are you?
We're doing the Charlie challenge.
What
It's
is
basically calling a spirit and talking to the spirit.
I'm not doing that, please.
Oh भाई
Please,
साहब,
यार,
नहीं.
I'm not doing it. It's very scary.
Totally out of it.
You guys have to do it because even I'm very scared. मैं भी बहुत फटू. तो हम जाने वाले हैं एक haunted area में. And then we're gonna shoot this. So I was like, पहली बात तो Charlie challenge करना है. You'll have to call ghost spirit. There's no way we're gonna do this at our homes because we don't want to call a spirit at our home. We'd rather go outside. And second of all, I was like, भूत वाला challenge है. No way can I do this alone. So इसलिए I call these two guys to do it with me. So even if like something happens, I get company. And
The ghost should take you.
those guys who don't know what Charlie challenge is, let me run you all through it quickly और मैं इन लोगों को भी बता देती हूँ, ठीक है? Charlie is basically a pencil and a paper game. Where it came from, what I read on the internet, it's like it's a child, एक बच्चा था Charlie जो मेक्सिको में था. I'm not sure of the gender. I don't know if it's a male kid or a female kid. Once his or her father suicided drinking poison. Okay, these people had no idea why. When he died, he had 2 pencils in his pocket. He had pencils probably because he was a professor also. Okay. And उनके पॉकेट में एक चिट भी था जिसमें लिखा था कि चार्ली इज अ बैड किड. तो ये चार्ली को बहुत अफेक्ट हुआ बिकॉज चार्ली वाज लाइक रियली अटैच्ड टू द फादर डाइड एंड बोथ मदर एंड द किड वर वेरी ट्रॉमेटाइज्ड. सो उसके बाद आफ्टर 2-3 डेज, दिन बहुत रात को बारिश हो रही थी, उनके घर के डोर पे 2-3 बार ऐसे नॉक्स सुनाई दिए. उनकी मॉम ने नहीं खोला. 3rd-4th टाइम खोला, देखा तो इट वाज द फादर in the same clothes and everything, like a corpse basically. Kid was in the room actually. Mom was very traumatized and she didn't know what to do. She was like numb. So he walked Charlie's room and उनकी mom को बहुत जोर से Charlie की आवाज सुनाई.
Okay.
And when she went, she saw Charlie, like she was dead. She or he was dead. And वहाँ पे सेम गेम था, पेंसिल वाला, yes no और वो पेंसिल. तो थोड़े दिन बाद पता चला कि चार्ली ने उसके 2 बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स को बताया था कि वो अपने डैड से ऐसे कम्युनिकेट करता है या करती है थ्रू दैट गेम. एंड उसके थ्रू द डैड केम इन द हाउस एंड ही टुक द किड विथ हिम, लाइक बेसिकली. दैट्स हाउ द होल थिंग इज. दैट्स व्हाई पीपल से द Charlie गेम. एंड many of them have tried it. मैंने काफी सारे वीडियोस देखे and with most of them it's worked. So I don't know हमारे साथ ये वर्क होगा या नहीं होगा. Are you guys ready?
No.
Not at all.
No.
Even personally, even I'm not ready. I am doing this for you guys, so you all
We are doing this for you.
the least you all can do is subscribe and like this video. If this video crosses 5,000 likes, I'll convince these 2 people and we'll do another horror challenge for you guys.
Done.
Hey guys, please like, subscribe and share this video.
So now हम जा रहे हैं एक haunted area में. Now without any delay चलते हैं वहाँ पे and let's do this challenge and let's hope for the best. So guys, we're entering in this place. So big and scary.
What is this place?
ये जगह हॉन्टेड है और ये बिल्डिंग सालों से अनकंस्ट्रक्टेड वगैरह है.
Someone is there, I think.
What do you mean by someone is there? It's pitch dark.
Vivek, you should go enter first. Please enter.
Are you crazy?
Sakshi, you enter.
There's no way I'm entering
Please.
first. Guys, look at this place. It's like so freaking
What
scary.
if you guys forget me inside?
What?
What if you guys forget me inside?
Yeah, we'll forget you inside. Guys, I'm entering this. Oh my god, I can't. Shit, why are you all running outside? So I'm turning the flash on. Guys, we're going inside. Okay.
More inside, more inside. Idhar.
It's freaking untouched since years. Guys, मेरे साथ आओ.
I think we should party here tomorrow. Can we?
Guys, are you all ready to do this here?
Let's.
Watch. Go for it.
Okay guys, so we found the corner of the room and there's a lot of kachra and stuff over here. Anyway, so I've used a box that I bought. Paper भी set कर दिया है, yes, no pencils, candle भी रख दिया है और यहाँ पे है लक्ष्य, यहाँ पे है विवेक and this is me. I'm gonna be recording as well. Now we're starting. It's so scary inside over here. I just want to get done with this and go. The shit I do for y'all. Anyway, let's start. So, Charlie, are you here? Nothing. So far, nothing. Charlie, are you here? अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं हुआ, guys. अभी तक कुछ नहीं हुआ.
कुछ नहीं
Charlie, are you here? हो गया. हिंदी में ट्राई करते. Charlie.
तू है क्या इधर?
Charlie, क्या तुम यहाँ पे हो? Charlie, are you here? Nothing so far. Okay guys, so far nothing has happened. हमने थोड़ा बार ट्राई किया है. यहाँ पे अजीब से इंसेक्ट्स की आवाज़ें आ रही है. I don't know if you all can hear. But हम और थोड़ी बार ट्राई करके हम सोचा निकल जाए. So let's try some more time. और यहाँ पे रूम में बिल्कुल भी हवा नहीं है. It's completely like it's very hot actually. It's very claustrophobic. So we'll try a few more times and let's see what happens. Charlie, are you here? Charlie, are you here? Charlie, are you here? Charlie, क्या तुम यहाँ पे हो? What? Guys, did it just move? Guys, let's grab this and let's just leave. Take the paper, take them. Let's move.